Hey everyone, Audi 555 here. Today I've got to really wash my bike, as you can see. Filthy. Bug spray all over it, dust, filthy dirt, and I've decided to put my old stock exhaust on, but that's also filthy because it's been sitting in storage. So it's time to give the bike a wash. Usually I just wash it down with the high pressure hose and then give it a soap down with this foaming nozzle and this wash and wax product. But I've decided to upgrade, and I've got what they call a snow blow cannon. This is manufactured by an Australian company called BOWDENs, and wow, it's such an improvement over that one. And it also uses this snow job. Now I've used that liquid in the stock Karsha foaming nozzle that came with this kit, and it wasn't as good as this. So this is a bit more expensive, but it's easy to use and it's good quality. It's made with really robust metal, and it's pretty easy to use, so it's definitely worth it. And it comes with this Karsha adapter, so you can put it onto the K-series car washers, and it also has another type of adapter where if you've got one of the clip-on type of hoses. It's time to get soapy. So to clean up your rims, if you've got any oil and road tar and things like that stuck to them, especially any grease from your chain, I recommend using some low-grade kerosene, as this will not affect your paint, but it will cut through the grease and grime. So as you can see, it's just eating through it there, and it'll look amazing. If you don't get rid of the grease, the snow foam won't actually cut through that. It's too thick. So you've got to use something like low odor kerosene. I use a low odor because it doesn't smell as long. And now she's looking all cleaned up and rinsed. It's time to get the fun part, the foam cannon from Bowden. So let's get that product. So when you fill this up, you fill it up to this line here with water, and then you fill it up there, which is like 2 of these caps of this snow job stuff, to the top of that green line. So it's very easy to fill. I've already done this before to wash the car, and I've still got a bit left over. So if you don't use it all, you can just leave this on the shelf, which is a really good idea. Save you having to waste some of that precious snow foam. It's a bit tricky to get it on my one because mine's a bit old, so I just got to like force it on there, but it'll get there in the end. There we go. Okay, sideways gangster style action. I can fix that later by using some more plumbing tape on that adapter and it will be straight, but for now this will do. Time to get some slow job action. Here we go. Look at my baby, it's just dripping with creamy soap. Alright, so we've got to let this sit for 5 minutes to soak in and work its way into all of the dirt and do its magic. So it's time for a coffee. Alright, a bit more than 5 minutes has gone past and most of this foam's dripped off. So now it's time to just hose it off again with the high pressure hose and then chamois the bike dry. So Bowden's, which is the same company that makes the snow foam and the spray nozzle, also makes this leather cleaning product. And this is great for like leather car seats. But I've also noticed it really makes my seat look brand new. Even though this isn't leather, it's an artificial vinyl stuff, whatever it is. It just really just brings the moisture back into it and makes it look new again. There we go, the bike looks pretty clean and new again, almost. Good enough to go for a bike show, I reckon. Well, that's it for today's video, and as usual, keep safe out there on the road, stay on two wheels and not on your head, and I'll see you all next Tuesday. Laters! The power cord. Fixed it.